Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Thinkito off campus is hiring freshers and the job role for that is trainee software engineer. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title it is software engineer trainee and the work location it is Pune and the salary or the CTC it is 3.2 lakhs per annum which is fixed, and the experience needed for the job role it is for freshers, and the last date to apply for the job role it is as soon as possible, as it's a Google document form. You can quickly apply for this job role. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for B or BTech or MA or MTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply, and the streams eligible. So various streams are eligible. It can be computer science, information technology, electronics and telecommunication, electronics, electrical, mechanical, civil as well as chemical or any other technical streams they are also eligible to apply, and the batch eligible is 2019 or 2020, 2021 or 2022. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. So the strong communication as well as interpersonal skills, and you need to have knowledge of object oriented programming as well as data structures, and the front end technologies like it can be HTML or CSS as well as JavaScript basics, and the database is either SQL or no SQL, or it can be MySQL, MongoDB, whichever. And you need to have knowledge of basic networking like HTTPS as well as HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So you need to have a bit knowledge of networking. So the next thing is the job description. So you need to have a strong problem solving skills as well as quick learner, and so you need to have good knowledge of logical as well as designing concepts, and also knowledge of C or C++ or any of the object oriented programming is needed, and also knowledge of HTML. So you'll be working on front end tools like HTML, CSS as well as JavaScript, and CSS frameworks like Foundation or it can be Bootstrap. So it is good to have knowledge of Spring framework or it can be Angular, and also understanding of JavaScript. As said, like you need to have knowledge of so familiarity of any of the databases. So as part of this job, you will be involved in defect fixing as well as involved in performance optimization. So this is the detailed job description for this particular job. So the next thing is the selection process. There are five different rounds. So the round one, there will be online assessment test in which there will be MCQ questions related to quantitative aptitude, logical, everything. And after that, it also includes coding in which you need to code. So there will be coding question in which you need to code in any of the programming language you prefer. And the round two, there will be L1 technical interview, that is face-to-face interview, and the round 3 there will be second technical interview, that is level 2 technical interview, and the round 4 there will be managerial, and there will be logical round in which the questions related to logical reasoning will be asked, and the last round will be the HR discussion. So there will be HR discussion round. So these are the five rounds that are included in the selection process. So the next thing is the preferred interview languages. So the first thing is Java. So you can either choose Java or JavaScript or Node.js, Python or C hash or C or C++ programming, or it can be .NET or the Objective C programming as well as Go programming. So these are the preferred languages for the interview. So then coming to the application link, it's a Google document form in which there is a five-step registration. So first thing is you need to agree the term, and after that you need to start your application in which you need to fill your details, your name, your email ID, your contact details and your graduation details, your percentage, everything, and you need to upload your passport size photo as well as updated resume. So after that, you need to, so there will be some of the questions like why do you apply for this position? You can answer that in few words. And also like why do you like to work for the company and your long-term goals, as well as like what type of project you like to work on. Either it can be routine or innovative or challenging. So you can choose any of the three. So after that, there will be some few questions like what technologies are used in your final year project. So you can mention the various programming languages you used, and after that, the database you know. So you can mention either MySQL, PostgreSQL, MS SQL, or MongoDB. And the last thing is like you can rate yourself for object oriented concepts, as well as you need to rate yourself for English communication. So after everything, you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.